Good morning, everyone. This is Mrs. Reichert, and I'm going to share some books with you today, Wednesday, January 8th, 2020. I want to let you know that January 25th is the Chinese New Year, and I want to share some things about that. This book right here is just called Chinese New Year, and it's an awesome book that will give you a ton of facts about the Chinese New Year. It usually happens in January or February, depending on the Chinese calendar, which is based on the changes of the moon. It lasts 15 days, and it ends the last day on a full moon, which is kind of cool. In this book, it tells you all about the traditions that happen and the things that go on, like the lion dance. This is the year of the rat, and everybody has the year in which they were born, and the year of the rat is actually the year I was born. The next book I have is called Goldie Luck and the Three Pandas. And in this story, it's about a little girl named Goldie Luck. And she was born actually on the year of the Golden Dragon. And everybody thinks because that she's going to have a lot of luck. But it does not happen that way. When the Chinese New Year begins, her mom asks her to go over to the Three Pandas and to give them some turnip cakes. But of course, Goldie drops the cakes and things change, and the story continues just like Goldilocks and the Three Bears. A New Year's reunion is about a little girl. It's a sweet little story who only sees her father on the Chinese New Year because he built houses far away. This story talks about many of the traditions that happen. The next story is called The Star Maker, and it is about a little boy named Artie who has a huge family, and his brother Petey continually puts him down. So Artie decides he's going to tell him that he's going to get firecrackers for all of his cousins on the Chinese New Year. Only he doesn't have enough money for that. But he has a great uncle whose name's Uncle Chester who helps him out. The last book is not really about the Chinese New Year, but it is a diverse book about Ruby Liu, Brave and True. She was born in America, and she has both Chinese parents. Her mom was born in China, and her dad was born in America. And it talks about the cool things that they do, like they go to Chinese school, and she learns to try to speak Chinese because her grandparents do not speak English. It's a cute little story about all the adventures she has, about friendships, and it's just silly. It's just silly. So I think these are some great books that you will have that will learn about the Chinese New Year and the traditions. I hope you guys have a great day.